If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Facts with Rican.
Did you know your asshole can spread up to 8 inches wide, therefore a raccoon can fit in your ass?
I can fit a whole jar of jelly beans up my ass.
What the dude? Where did you learn that?
Yeah, but it's true. Raccoons can go into holes 4
Stop.
inches wide.
Stop.
Cheesy.